So as I promised, these last few videos have been all about air frying because it's the first of the year and we're all wanting to cut back in little ways without feeling like we're deprived, because feeling deprived makes us feel depraved. So any way we can cut back. So this is one of Michael's favorite dishes, and a lot of y'all may turn your head and say, barf, can't stand that. Eddie just raised his hand.
Me too, but this
Teresa
was
just raised her hand.
Requested
It
video.
was requested. And you know what? Michael and I love them. And that's, drum roll please, chicken livers. I love chicken livers and gizzards. Oh my gosh, I think they're so good. So I'm gonna share with y'all a way to make buffalo chicken livers in the air fryer. So we have had our chicken livers soaking in milk, and now we're gonna just toss our dry ingredients, which is flour, and I'm not gonna Teresa, read off that. Would you mind reading
Certainly.
while I'm reading them off
Absolutely.
the whole recipe so they'll have it, because I'm not using all of it.
Now they do a lot of a lot of butter and a lot of hot sauce for the sauce.
Yes,
You
yes,
may
I'm-
want that much or you may not.
Yes.
But it's a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks,
Mm-hmm.
a half a cup of the hot sauce, and now
I usually use, excuse me for interrupting, I do a stick of butter and maybe half a cup plus
okay, so
hot
you-
sauce. So I use a good bit.
Okay, so now it tells you to do 1 cup all-purpose flour,
Okay.
salt, a teaspoon of salt, which
Okay.
should be there.
A little salt.
There's paprika,
Paprika is
half teaspoon of paprika, and
okay.
half teaspoon of garlic powder,
I think okay. Garlic powder's right here.
half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out which is cayenne, because I think that, hate to have to do it this way, y'all, but I think that's the paprika.
So you're
Or at least I'm not on fire. Let me see.
And then a half teaspoon of black pepper.
I put a little bit of this. Whoa, I found the cayenne. And I'm only gonna put about half that much. And then like a teaspoon of pepper.
You mix it
My
all
toes
up.
on fire. So these are best to just shake them in your dry ingredients. So I want to tell y'all, I'd like to warn y'all about something. Michael and I'm looking for my pitchfork. Does anybody see my pitchfork?
And, you know what, it may be in this drawer.
It could be in that top drawer right behind.
Yeah, it must be. I have had this since I was 18 years old, y'all. It's the only one and only fork I've ever bought. So, how old would that be? It was 1965. So that would be 35, 45, 55, 60 years old. I have been using this for 60 years. That's hard to believe. You know, it must have been a good one. But anyway, getting back to what I want to share with y'all. If you love chicken livers and you fry them on the stove, if you don't puncture the hell out of them, they're gonna pop all over you and it's gonna hurt so bad. So this is what you wanna do. You wanna just take your fork and stab them, stab them, stab them. And they will still pop some, but not like they would if you had not pierced through them. Oh, it hurts so bad. And of course, if they pop in the air fryer, you know, thank goodness I won't be inside the air fryer for it to pop me. So, we've got some beautiful chicken livers. So we just want to shake that all around. And so we're gonna come over here and put these in our air fryer. You know what I think I'm gonna do, because they have so many sides to them, I'm gonna put them on a baking sheet first. Let me just do it this way, I'm better off just using my hands. Okay, come back over here and do it again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Shake, shake, shake. I remember my mama used to, when she was frying chicken, she'd put it in a brown paper sack and flour her chicken that way. Now, if I was frying these on top of the stove, y'all, I would take my fork and I would puncture them all again real good, because the kind of grease that pops out of these it's the hurting kind. All right, so I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'm gonna take my spray, my non-stick cooking spray, and I'm gonna try to spray them all over just this one time, because like I said, they got many creases and crevices, and that really makes a difference in how they're gonna fry up. Yeah, I think this is gonna be easier than turning them. Wait a minute, where did that not get? There we go. This will be easier than trying to turn them and spray them again on the other side. I'm hoping, this is what I'm hoping. I'm hoping that a lot of y'all, I'm hoping that Santa Claus brought y'all a Paula and Deen air fryer is what I'm hoping. Because if he did, if Santa did y'all right, you are loving it right this minute. All right, what? That didn't get up. Michael went to, so you can see where the flour is. I didn't get that sprayed good. So you want to make sure you spray it good. And I can't wait for Michael to get home, because he has taken John and Henry to get a haircut. See what I'm talking about it having so many different sides? Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands one more time. All right. I'm gonna cook these on 400 until they're done. But I'm gonna start at 10 minutes, about 12 minutes. But there y'all are. But I will check on them periodically before that bell dings. So hope y'all like chicken livers. Bok, bok. Okay, while our chicken livers are cooking, Mike, you do want chicken livers, right?
Absolutely. It's my favorite.
You know what we're
I
gonna
can't
call
wait to
it?
see his face when he tastes
When he
it.
eats one.
He's shaking his head. Look at
Uh-huh.
him. You said that was your favorite.
He was kidding. All right, so while our chicken livers are frying, I'm gonna make our buffalo sauce, which is a stick of butter, and that's not quite a half a cup of hot sauce. But you know, don't be shy, because this is not like, to me, Tabasco is so hot. Would y'all find that to be true?
Yeah, your hot sauce is good. It's very mild.
It's so good. It's a good mild one because I don't want to hurt you. I just want it to enhance your food if you prefer some heat to it. So we'll toss our chicken livers in our buffalo sauce when they're done, and I will be serving these with blue cheese dip on the side, and you can always throw in a couple of slices of celery to make yourself feel better. And it really can help fill you up, that celery, especially if they're too hot or you don't like chicken livers. Eddie, what'd you say a while ago, Eddie? When Teresa said, well, Eddie, now somebody's requested this.
I asked her when she came in, what are we making? And she said, well, we're doing some request. And the first thing she said was,
Because I knew he would love it.
buffalo chicken livers. And I was like, was there no one out there that requested a chocolate cake or something?
So could somebody send in a request for a chocolate cake for Eddie?
Oh my goodness, that's funny. So we'll just want those to just incorporate together, and that's all that takes. This is so good. I love it.
Now, you do your chicken wings this way too,
Yes,
right?
I do. And I also, another way I love my chicken wings is I'll take a jar of pepper jelly and a stick of butter and melt those two together, and it's so good.
We've done those on wings, I remember.
Yes, I've done them before. I've shared how I do those. I don't hear anything popping yet. You'll probably wait till I open the door. Then
Come shooting out.
and then spit on me. Look how pretty these are, y'all. And now I'm gonna turn them ever so gently. I think I should have sprayed the bottom as well. But they're looking good, and you can hear they're getting crispy. And then we're gonna give them a bath in some hot sauce. And Michael and I are gonna have a ball eating those things. And guess what? We don't have to share because nobody likes them. So I want to thank the person that requested these. That way I get to have some. Okie doke. I got our chicken livers just the perfect degree cooked. And Eddie came up with a great idea of putting them in the deviled egg platter. And look, I gave this little chicken some white tail feathers. And that is our blue cheese dressing dip. here and look at these beautiful little cocktail forks. They're perfect for, let's see, where's a little one? They're perfect for dipping your.
Now it does smell good.
Y'all just don't know what you're missing. It is so good.
Ugh. I just can't even get past the words.
Oh, me
Ready?
either. Like, yum, yum, yum. I'm the only one at this party that eats those. Yum. So good. So good. For you chicken lovers out there, chicken liver lovers, chicken liver lovers,
That sounds good.
I hope that you enjoy it. Like I said, I hope that so many of y'all got Paula Deen air fryers for Christmas, because you're going to have a ball relearning how to cook in a little bit different way from what we've always known. It's good.
Yeah.
So Happy New Year, friends. I'm gonna have one more. Just one more. Where's a little tiny one? Because Michael is gonna come in and eat up every one of these. Perfect. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.